konting details na lang ang inaayos natin para sa contract ni Dara. By next week, she'll be signing the contract, so I want all the reporters and bloggers of all media formats to be there, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let's go back to Nate's schedule naman. Ano bang next gig niya? Here. Oh, Nate! We're discussing na your next gig. By next week, magka-campus tour ka to promote your new single and its new music video, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma.
Oh, by the way, kamusta pala yung appearance mo sa Navotas?
Surprisingly, it was fun.
Talaga? Kamusta naman yung contest winner? Tingin mo ba, kailangan natin mag-offer ng representation?
The winner?
Hmm,
No. Yung second placer, maybe.
yung second placer? Ba't naman yung second placer?
Because everybody knows na mas magaling yung second placer. Di ba, Ivy? Galing, no?
Nag-cellphone kasi ako the whole day. Parang ikaw. Nag-ayos ako ng mga guesting niya. Sorry, hindi ko napanood.
Babae ba yun? Baka naman sinasabi mong magaling siya kasi attracted ka sa kanya.
Of course not, ma. Look, you asked for my opinion, and I gave it. Kayo nang bahala kung anong gusto niyo gawin doon.